Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can connect MT4 or MT5 to TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for TradingView. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. Here, if you click on this arrow icon at the bottom of the screen, you can see that a menu slides onto the screen. Inside it, navigate to the trading panel, and you will be able to see all the brokers that you can use to start trading in TradingView. But you won't be able to find MetaTrader in this list, because as you can see, currently you can log in with the MetaTrader account on TradingView, but trading is not available. So basically, you will need to choose from one of the available brokers and then start trading. So that's basically how you can connect MT4 or MT5 to TradingView. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.